This is a sample I put together for people who come in and want to see all the papers that we sell. They're all archival, acid-free, lignin-free. Some are buffered with calcium carbonate and some are not. So this first one is tissue. And you can get it in buffered and unbuffered options. If you have both in your collection, then you should make sure you label them because they look identical. And it is 25 grams per square meter, which is GSM. So it's the thinnest one that we have. Next is our new Archival Thin Paper Unbuffered. It is 32 GSM. And then we have Glassine Interleaving, which is 40 GSM and also an unbuffered paper. And it is the clearest. I will show you a demo of all the papers next to each other with a print soon. This Glassine, the one thing we warn people is not to use it with gelatin silver prints because in certain conditions of humidity and heat, then they can actually bond to the gelatin, which is not good. But it's fine for digital inkjet prints, etc. This is our Permalife 20-pound bond paper, 75 GSM. It's acid-free and buffered. And this comes in reams of 500, and then we have a few other sizes in packs of 100. And it can be used with photocopiers, inkjet, and laser printers. And it has a watermark. Don't know if the camera's picking it up. So it's 25% cotton paper. We do not have any 100% cotton papers. We do have 100% cotton mat board. And this is what we call archival paper, and it is 120 GSM. It is buffered. And it's a pretty substantial paper. Next comes the cardstocks, which we have in 3 colors. This is the white cardstock, which is 14 point, buffered as well. This is the gray cardstock, which is 12 point. They're all buffered. And then the black, which is 9 point, and significantly thinner than especially the whiteboard. And it's listed on 2 places on our website. It's under the board and paper section in our standard board and paper sizes, which you can get cut down by request if you need a custom size. And it's also listed on our binder pages section because we have these sold as inserts for all the different binder pocket pages. Here is an example with a print underneath the paper. So on our left is the archival paper, which you can't really see through. Then the Permalife is next. Then the Glassine, which is still pretty much the clearest one that we have. Unbuffered archival thin paper, and the tissue is the last one. This is our board and paper sample pack, and it includes all of our mat board, our foam board, and all of our papers, tissue, and cardstock. And they are cut to a 4x5 inch size. So here's the tissue, and it's going to tell you if it's buffered or unbuffered, and the GSM, or grams per square meters. There's the foam board, 1/8 inch foam board. Here's the polar white board, which only comes in 4-ply. And let's see, here's bright white museum board. So some of the boards come in 2-ply, 4-ply, and 8-ply, such as the bright white. You'll definitely get a sample of the different board thicknesses. So we have the 2-ply and the 4-ply. So this warm white board is an 8-ply sample. natural white, gray cardstock, black cardstock, white cardstock, the black museum board, pearl white conservation, antique white museum board, archival thin paper unbuffered, glassine interleaving, and the gallery white conservation board.